Boric materia medica, Baryta acetica, acetate of barium. Produces paralysis beginning at the extremities and spreading upward. Pruritus of aged. Mind forgetful, wavering long between opposite resolutions, lack of self-confidence. Face filling of cobweb in face. Extremities drawing pain down whole left leg, crawling with burning stitches, paralysis. Lumbago and rheumatic pain in muscles and joints. Dose second and third trituration in repeated doses. Next remedy we have is Baryta iodata. Iodide of baryta acts on the lymphatic system, increased leukocytosis, quinsy, indurated glands, especially tonsils and breast, strumous ophthalmia with tumefaction of cervical glands and stunted growth, tumors. Relationship compare aconite lycotonum, swelling of cervical, axillary and mammary glands. Conium, merc-iode, carbo-N. Dose second and third trituration. Next remedy we have is Baryta muriatica, barium chloride. The different salts of baryta are called for in organic lesions of the aged and dwarfish, both mentally and physically. Arteriosclerosis and cerebral affections due to these conditions. Headaches but without acute crisis occurring in old people, heaviness rather than pain. Vertigo due to cerebral anemia and noises in ears, acts on lower alimentary canal, especially rectum, on muscles and joints, giving stiffness and weakness as from overwalking. The white blood corpuscles increased. Hypertension and vascular degeneration. Increased tension of pulse, arteriosclerosis, where a high systolic pressure with a comparatively low diastolic tension is attended by cerebral and cardiac symptoms. This remedy has indurated and narrowing of the cardiac orifice with pain. Immediately after eating, the epigastric tenderness which has been reportedly verified, also its use in aneurysm and chronic hypertrophy of the tonsils. Nymphomania and satyriasis, convulsions in every form of mania when the sexual desire is increased. Icy coldness of body with paralysis, multiple sclerosis of brain and cord, voluntary muscular power gone but perfectly sensible, paresis after influenza and diphtheria, general feeling of lassitude in the morning, especially weakness of the legs with muscular stiffness, children who go around with their mouth open and who talk through the nose, stupid appearing, hard of hearing. Ears, whizzing and buzzing, noises on chewing and swallowing or sneezing. Earache, better sipping cold water, parotate swollen, offensive otorrhea, inflates middle ear on blowing nose. Throat, difficult swallowing, tonsils enlarged, paresis of pharynx and eustachian tubes with sneezing and noises. Tubes filled too wide open. Respiratory, bronchial affections of old people with cardiac dilatation, facilitates expectoration. Great accumulation and rattling of mucus with difficult expectoration. Arteriosclerosis of the lung, thus in senile asthma, modifies the arterial tension. Stomach, gone feeling at epigastrium, a good guiding symptom for it in chronic affections. Retching and moving, sensation of heat ascending to head. Urine, great increase in uric acid, diminution of chlorides. Abdomen, throbbing, induration of pancreas, abdominal aneurysm, inguinal gland swollen, spasmodic pain in rectum. relationship. Compare in sclerotic degenerations, especially of spinal cord, liver, and heart. Plumbum mate and plumbum iode, also aurum mure, which will often accomplish more in sclerotic and exudative degenerations than other remedies. Multiple sclerosis, fulgurating pains, tremors, Morvan's disease, hypertrophy of fingers. Dose: third trituration. Bears repetition of doses well.